I reached out to the team that's doing the marine cloud brightening work in Australia, and I was invited to join them as an observer in the field work. It's very different, just reading about different types of technologies and actually being there on the field and seeing how it works, right? So it was definitely like an experience that before I could never imagine how it would look like. And it brought me lots of questions. I already went with questions, and I think I came back with tons more. There are different research stations, and I was mostly in 3 of them. So there were 2 vessels that were conducting the experiment. One was the one where the machines were, and the other one was collecting data from the experiment. And then they also had islands where they were also collecting data. And so I was mostly in the data vessel and on the island. So I got to spend more time with the scientists that were analyzing the results from the experiment. Unlike other SRM technologies, marine cloud brightening is very local, and so the intention of this experiment there in Australia is to protect the Great Barrier Reef from the mass bleaching events that have already been happening in the past years. And so I think the main thing I got from the experiment is that first, we still need to see if that's viable, if we can really get the theory and the lab work of marine cloud brightening into practice. So it doesn't matter if they can see that, yes, we can brighten the clouds if there won't be an impact in the reef. And so I believe the process of getting the research done is much bigger than we think, because apart from all of the atmospheric scientists who are looking into that, there's also a huge collaboration that is being done with marine biologists, for example, for them to assess if brightening the clouds can make the reef more resilient.